Firas Cabal from HM6A. Today, we're diving into workplace diversity, which refers to the variety of differences between people within an organization. It encompasses everything from race and gender to personality and education. Diversity is divided into 4 key dimensions. First, there is internal diversity, which includes innate characteristics like age and race. Next is external diversity, covering attributes like your religious beliefs or education. Then, we have organizational diversity, which is based on your job function or seniority. Finally, worldview diversity represents our unique perspectives shaped by our personal histories. So, why does this matter? Because diversity drives real results. Diverse teams bring multiple perspectives to problem solving, leading to a 19% increase in revenue from innovation. In fact, companies in the top quartile for diversity are 39% more likely to financially outperform their competitors. Choose hospitality management. Choose UE Manila.
Alright.